Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite now. Taurus, this is a small little love bite we do every Saturday to check your energy. My old subscribers, of course, know about this, and these are general collective readings. Will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Taurus, I'm going to start with our angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have in store for you, or at least for this reading, how they're going to bless it, what advice, guidance, or a message they have for you today. For Taurus spirit, steady progress is what you get from my angels. Beautiful card. I love this card. So yes, they are proud of you, Taurus. Whatever you're doing, keep doing, because you may not see it, but you are making steady progress. So let's open your cards and let's see what's going on here. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel. Thank you for all your likes, your comments. I'm very grateful. Thank you. And yes, if you're new here, Taurus, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you to our Omkara family. And newbies, let me explain this. This is just a small little 9-card spread to check your energy. Your longer readings have already been put up. I'll leave a few links at the end of the video, and more are coming. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Taurus, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And we're good to go. Oh my God, I saw the death card earlier. It flipped out, but I put it back, which means total transformation. Okay, death to the old and new beginnings coming. And see what I have bottom of my deck for you again, Taurus. A fresh new beginning. So either that's on your mind, because that's the underlying energy of this reading. Maybe that's what you're thinking of, or maybe it's actually coming, or you're making steady progress towards it. The Emperor, Magician, 3 of Wands, beautiful 3 cards, 7 of Swords, Justice, 9 of Wands, Page of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, and the King of Swords. Boy, that's a very strong reading. At center of my spread, I have the Justice card. Somebody now wants to take back control of their life. They want justice in their life. They're trying to manifest something brand new. They're looking at the future and seeing what else is out there. Maybe went through some cheating, lying behavior in the past, or maybe you just want to sneak away from something from your past. I don't know. We'll clarify these cards. But yes, you're standing strong, you're standing tall, and you are, even though you know that people have their eye on you, they're spying on you, they're watching what you're doing, I don't think you're afraid here. You're totally in your element here, Taurus, and you're very clear in your communication and your thoughts and your manifestations that what you want is now the Wheel of Fortune to move forward in your life. Beautiful. Let's see if you're dealing with people. I don't see one person. I see a lot of people here. So I'm just going to see if your person or more than one person wants to say something to you, what that would be. Very focused energy, Taurus, this time. No more at crossroads, no more overthinking. Trying to manifest something beautiful for yourself, which will bring you justice. Okay. Let's take a couple more from here. Okay. You go to bed with someone else and your soul comes back to make love to me. I know when you're with someone else and this just makes me feel heartbroken. You should be making love to me. So maybe this is a third party situation here, Taurus. Either you're with somebody and somebody is, waiting for you, or vice versa. I don't know. It drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Yes, I love you unconditionally, but I'm not your parent, and quite frankly, your behavior takes a piss at me sometimes. You need to act like an adult for our relationship to work. I get so jealous knowing you're in bed with a karmic at night. Okay, so this is the same message over and over again. Yes, this could be a third party situation, Taurus, where one of your partners is very jealous of the person you're actually with. Okay, now flip the energy. This could be you being jealous of your partner. I don't know. Energies do get flipped once in a while, but I'm going to read it as if it's your reading. So, yes, somebody is very, very jealous at knowing that you're in bed with the karmic at night. I feel sick to my stomach at the thought of you in bed with them. So, these are two cards which say the same thing. You make love to someone else, and your soul comes to make love to me when actually you should be with me. Love and being loved is the most beautiful, crazy, unexpected, magical feeling I've ever felt. Thank you for loving me the way that you do. I love you to infinity. Okay. Walking away from you was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life, and it's my biggest regret. Seems like a transition going on from one phase of your life to another. I can't bear the thought of you being with someone else. I get so jealous. I just want you to be mine. 3 cards, Taurus. 3 cards. Somebody is very unhappy. I'm going to read it as your energy, right? That you are with somebody else. Okay? So, you seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you understand I need time. This could be you. This could be you, Taurus, telling your partner that, hey, listen, I don't expect you to keep waiting around for me because maybe I am with somebody else right now. I need more time. So I'll understand if you can't wait for me. I don't expect it. But there is love here. But I just see this as a transition. Yes, somebody is making some steady progress towards having this fresh new beginning in their life, maybe a total rebirth of their life, but still kind of holding back because it's not time yet. So, somebody here, now I understand these cards. If this is a third party situation, Taurus, somebody wants to be your emperor. Okay, they could be dealing with an Aries here, but the Emperor card is the first card I see, so I say it. Somebody was wanting to be the person who takes control, take charge, and kind of is trying to manifest. Is trying to manifest a new beginning, maybe, and is waiting patiently for you. Okay, of course, this reading won't be for everybody out there. Not everybody is dealing with third party situations, but this is the strongest message I'm getting from this reading. So, this could be yours, maybe not. Yes, maybe there's been some sneaky behavior in the past, but somebody wants to do the right thing now, bring justice to this equation. They want to fight for you till the end. Yes, they're watching and waiting as to when this wheel of fortune will turn in their favor, and they're very clear on that. Very, very clear. So, who's this Emperor spirit? What do they want? They want their Empress. This Emperor wants their Empress, Taurus. They're very clear of the person they want. Emperor to the Empress. Full clarity of the person that they want to be with, but right now I think there is a bit of emotional unhappiness going on between the two of you. Maybe you guys are not together. Maybe one of you is with another partner here, right? So this is an equal match, Emperor to the Empress. Or at least that's how the one person is perceiving this connection. Magician spirit, what are they trying to manifest? They want to manifest an ending of the past, of the way things were, and they want to work towards their partner. They want to work on this relationship. What do they want to work towards, Spirit? What are they manifesting? They want somebody from their past. Maybe earlier this could have been like just a sexual relationship between the two of you. Maybe it was just an in and out kind of a relationship. But now whoever this emperor is wants to actually grow and work together with their empress because they've recognized them to be a soulmate. This is my person. I know who it is, who I want to be with. They're praying, they're manifesting, they're wishing, hoping to bring this back together. And I see them very patiently waiting. Even though right now things may be a bit stagnant between the two of you, there could be distance, there's a little chance of celebration or reconciliation at the moment. And yes, this person feels weak at the moment because they have no control, even though they want it, but there's a bit of delay going on because maybe another person is married here. It's very, very possible there is... That's the reason there's a delay in being single. Maybe somebody could be already married and there's nothing that they can do except wait. 7 of Swords, Spirit. 7 of Swords. Seven of Swords. I think that the feminine energy here has already lost their love in the situation they are in and are desperately trying to find a ways and means to get out of the relationship maybe they're already in and leave their troubles behind and move to a calmer place in their life. Whatever this person is, this feminine is very overwhelmed emotionally. They don't feel the love where they are. Maybe they feel there is no more love left, and maybe could be also looking for a divorce. I don't know, but this is a person who's made up their mind, who is not not afraid anymore. Why I say divorce, Taurus, is because this Queen of Swords is sometimes represented as a divorcee, and I do see the Justice card right next to it. So maybe this person is now kind of realizing that where I'm at, I'm in a loveless situation. Justice. Yes, they want to now heal their heart. They want to heal their heart. They want to bring justice back to their life. They maybe have been dealing with somebody who's been like a dictator in their life, who's always tried to control them. They don't want to live in regret for the rest of their life. And yes, there were no emotions shown in this relationship. There was no love shown in this relationship. Somebody was overbearing, controlling, always trying to kind of control everything around them. A false emperor, as I would like to say. So this was a false emperor who this feminine was attached to. Now they're looking for justice and wanting to get out of, living in regret for the rest of their life. 9 of Wands, Spirit. 9 of Wands. Nine of Wands. Yes, this person wants to fight for their freedom now. They know the truth now. I mean, they are no longer now in any illusion of where they're at and how it's not working. But this person is right now at crossroads, Taurus, still kind of deciding their next move. That much they're sure that they want to drop any burden that they have in their life and fight for what they want. Right? But maybe right now still at a kind of a crossroad here. Page of Swords, Spirit. Who's spying on who? Maybe this person is trying to gather information. Trying to gather information about... trying to come out of this... Or maybe they feel that this King of Swords, who's very unemotional or whatever, is keeping a watch on them. That's also a possibility. They know that this is the wrong direction, and they are not looking for any love or love offer from this place. They just want to come out of this hermit mode and find victory for themselves in their own life now, this feminine. They want the Wheel of Fortune to now move in their favor. What is that, Spirit? Wheel of Fortune? Yes, they want to start from scratch. They want to put an ending to whatever's not working in their life, and they want to start their life anew. Yeah, this is a person who's now recognizing their self-worth, their self-respect, and they feel that they have it in them to kind of build their own life the way they want it to. Queen of Wands. Now this is a person who can actually achieve whatever they want for themselves. So yes, they don't want to be in a place which lacks passion, which never gives them emotional happiness. This Queen of Wands is kind of at crossroads, making up their mind, has pretty much made up their mind, I would say, that not to be with one person who's not serving them, and maybe they have somebody waiting in the wings who's also manifesting them and waiting patiently for this queen to actually make that progress. King of Swords, Spirit? King of Swords? King of Swords? Be a little careful, little careful, Taurus. Whoever this unemotional person there is in your life, who you're not happy with or you don't want to have long term with, this person is a bit of a magician in reverse. This is a trickster. Okay, so just make sure that whatever action you're taking, it doesn't backfire on you, because I don't think they are ready to release you just yet. Okay, so be very, very specific, be very careful. It's just a warning. Be very careful. This person is watching you all the time. Okay, so that's all I have for you. I know this is not everybody's reading, but if it did resonate, even parts of it, please do let me know. It really helps. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.